Welcome back. Hi, my name is Faisal Khan, and in this video, I'm going to give you overview about the Cisco Contact Center architecture. Now, Cisco Contact Center architecture strength is basically separation of the media from the application itself. The applications is running on the core network of a Cisco WebEx, where the media, on the other hand, is running in something called the voice media layer. Now, the media is handled by a component known as a voice POP or present point of presence, VPOP, and it stays in the VPOP. So whenever you are establish a communication for voice call or channel, it communicates with your voice media player rather than with an application layer. The media is kept in a geographic region that is closer to your locations or compared to the applications. Now, the application layer houses the voice, media, and analytical application stack. So this is where, for example, all your software that is running your platform is hosting. That include maybe the web applications, the any sort of licensing integrations that happens, or any API gateways. They're all in the application layer. End users will access their application via the internet. So therefore, no particular software is required for you and I to install in order for us to access that applications. We access this application using the control hub. So let's take a look at what control hub, again, where we can access these various applications. So in your control hub on the left hand side, you see various options here, messaging, you got your calling, contact center. This will give you the inner access from the customer perspective or user perspective to access your platform. Now you notice here that there is no, for this, you don't have to download anything. You don't have to, configure your network to communicate with control hub. Of course, unless your company has a restriction of accessing certain website, or maybe you're in a country that may have issues with VoIP, that might be a little different. But in most cases, you don't really need. All you need is a web browser and a good internet connections. You're good to go. Now the voice stacks works with multiple voice media player. Voice stacks would be the application that or the control signaling part of the application that will communicate with the media player. For example, voice application will generate the data that is fed into your analytical stacks in a real time. Again, the analytical stacks will run in your application layer. So whenever a call coming in, the voice application, which is communicating with the voice media player, will push information into your analytical